5 foods you must eat if you want to stop your cough. Number 5. Pineapple. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces mucus and helps ease coughs. Number 4. Peppermint. The menthol in peppermint helps relax the throat and loosen mucus. A warm cup of peppermint tea can work wonders. Next up, turmeric. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it perfect for reducing irritation in your throat. Number 2, ginger. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory that can relax your airway muscles and clear congestion. Fresh ginger tea is one of the best ways to get fast relief. And number 1 is honey. This natural remedy is unmatched when it comes to stopping a cough. Honey coats your throat, reduces irritation, and has antibacterial properties. Just a teaspoon in warm water or tea can give you almost instant relief. Follow me to optimize your health.
Thanks for watching Health Opki 108. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.